Look, y'all, I built a store that has generated $377,000, but I really don't feel like I accomplished shit, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I don't feel like I accomplished shit trying to hit 100 million before I die. Now, you guys might look at me crazy. I'm just a kid from Tampa, Florida, who's 21, that got into e-commerce young and is paying for my lifestyle now. But you guys did not see the whole journey and how I became to build this mindset and stuff like that. You guys always have to think in abundance. Limiting yourself on what you can do is not going to help you at all, y'all. Saying, oh, I can't do this. What? Impossible. I already know you're in a bad mindset for success. Of course, it feels good to be realistic, but if you think about it, in this world, anything is possible. So anything can be realistic, right? I spoke about me making $377,000 at 21. I'm gonna go ahead and put the screenshot up for y'all on the screen. But I tell y'all, bro, that might seem like a lot to you, but it's just a baseline for me, bro. Like, I had so many goals of reaching my first 10K month, so much goals of reaching 100K in the business, 200K in the business, 300K in the business. Now we're pushing 400K by the end of next month. These milestones, these goals, they, after you hit them, they don't really feel like anything, right? On to the next task, on to the next goal. And what I've thought about and what I've really realized about myself, I always thought it was about the money. I need more money. I need more money to do more things, right? And then when you really get here, y'all, when you guys really are making the money, generating the money, having the money in your hands, you have the control, you can do what you want to do with it. It seems less about the money and more about the success, the win at the end. When you want to win so bad, you will play with your money properly, right? You're going to use your money properly. You're not going to fuck it off, right? Some people, they just want the status. They just want to flex, right? They don't really want to win. Look, I just want to accomplish shit. Money is just a number. Money is just a tool that we use to get the things that we want, y'all. It's not the end, make or break. Money is not everything. They always tell you that money is not everything, but it's true. Money is not everything, y'all. It's just a tool that will get you certain places, allow you to take control back of your time and stuff like that. By no means is it everything, right? You can have all the money in the world and be extremely depressed and still not have what you want. You can have, like, remember what I say, y'all. You can have all the money in the world and still not have what you want. Whether that be the woman you want, the woman that really loves you, or the family you want. You might have lost the family along the way. You might not have the brother. You think you could buy these things, right? But they're not real. It's all fake. Just like the concept of money is all fake, right? If we never civilized and got this money would just be paper. We things that would be valuable to us would be, memories, time with family, food, stuff we need for survival. Like, this whole thing is a game. So, right, we could treat it like a game. Treat it like a game, y'all. Look, as much time as you spend grinding on Fortnite, grind on your business. I promise it'll pay off the same. Like, you're gonna become a damn good business person if you spend all day grinding and playing this game of business, right? If we're playing the game of Fortnite, we're playing the game of Call of Duty, why don't we play the game of e-com, right? Why don't we play the game of making a product and selling it and marketing it well? Why don't we play the game of investing our money into crypto and stock? Why don't we play the game of stuff that's actually going to bring us something out of life instead of playing the game with females, playing the game with bullshit friends, playing the game on Call of Duty? Like we got to invest our time into the right places. Trust me. You can say it's a game and still take it serious. Look, we have people that play a game of basketball that take it to the most serious. They'll die about basketball, for real, because they want to make it to the NBA so bad. It's life or death to them, right? Just because I say it's a game doesn't mean that I don't take it serious. I take it very serious. Serious enough to spend 12 hours a day working on business, y'all. That's what got me to this point. I want 100 million net worth by the time I die, And the people that come after me can manage that, probably grow it into $1 billion, and there we go, generational wealth, right? But for the people that want to accomplish something, you want respect. You want people to respect you. A lot of people, the reason why they do what they do, buy the things they buy, wear the things they wear, is because they want people to respect them, right? But nobody gives a fuck what shirt Jeff Bezos is wearing, right? He could wear a $10 shirt. He's going to get respected the same because of what he built. A lot of you guys are trying to get short-term respect. Oh, he wore that nice shirt that one time. Oh, he pulled up in that nice car that one time, right? But those aren't the things that they're going to remember you for. They're going to remember you for the things you built, the things you contributed to the world. You know what I'm saying? Think about it, bro. Y'all got to think bigger, right? I gotta think way, 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 way bigger. 10 times bigger, 20 times bigger, 30 times bigger, 100 times bigger. Because when you shoot for the stars, you're gonna reach the moon, bro. You're gonna hit farther than you think you're gonna hit, bro. I promise you. I haven't told this story in this video, but I lost 16K when I was 18, bro. I lost 16K when I was 18. My whole family was looking at me crazy like, what is he doing, right? And then I start investing money in my clothing brand, spending more money on my clothing brand. Fuck a savings, right? I've never been a saver. The only thing I do with money is store it, right? I'm not saving this money, right? The money's supposed to save me. The money's supposed to work for me. The money's supposed to save me. So I'm not saving this money, right? I'm storing this money, right? For eventually, it'll have a purpose, right? I'll use it, take it here, and put it right there, right? Every time I make $1, that dollar is going to make 2 more, 3 more, 5 more, 6 more. That's how I think about money. It duplicates, it's in abundance, it works for you, and it flows, right? It goes from one place to one place to one place to one place. You might give Walmart $200. That money is exchanged from payroll to here to here to there. Money flows like water, like the river, right? A lot of you guys are all the way over here by the desert. There's no water. You just over here by the desert. There's nothing positive going on over here. No money going on over here. But if you just walk from the desert, right, and you walk to the river, you walk to the stream with this bucket. We call this bucket of business. And you able to scoop up this water. You able to scoop up this motion, right? This flow of money. You got to pour the water back to another stream. Your stream, your little pond over here. You come back over here, scoop up some water, pour it to your little pond over there. And it builds and it grows and it grows. And eventually you get a bigger bucket. And you scoop more and you scoop more, right? But this money always flows. It goes from place to place. It's like water, bruh. So you store it, you scoop it, and you put it into something else. You put it into another investment, right? Boom. Stream of income. That's why they call it a stream of income, y'all. But I'm saying, though, nobody believed in me in the beginning. Nobody's going to believe in you, bro. You haven't done shit yet. That would be like an NFL team coming to sign me, nigga. I ain't never thrown a football a day in my life, but they coming to sign me. They coming to sign me for what? Nobody's gonna believe in you in the beginning, bro. You gotta have proof. You gotta have social proof, right? That's the reason why social proof sells in marketing. But you gotta have social proof. People gotta know you've done something for you to get what you think you deserve, fam. I'm just trying to tell you, bro. I'm just trying to tell you, nobody's gonna respect what you're doing. Nobody's gonna understand what you're doing, right? You just gotta do it, and when they see it works, they know it works, and they know you the guy for that, right? Like I keep saying, y'all, bro, it's not about the money, bro. It's about the chase for me, bro. I love the chase. I love the grind. I love progress, right? Y'all gotta get addicted to progress, right? I was addicted to so much shit, bro. Addicted to so much shit. Addicted to video games. Addicted to porn. I was addicted to so much shit, bro. But I cut all that shit off. And the thing that I'm addicted to now is literally progress. Like that thing, like, bro, looking back on where I started from, like looking back on the dirt and seeing what I built makes me the happiest in the world. That makes me want to keep going, right? That's what makes me keep going. But before, I didn't have this mindset because I never did anything, right? I was just procrastinating. I was so lazy to do it. Like, you feel me? I don't even know how to explain it, but I was just so like disconnected, right? I was so lazy to do it. I didn't want to do it, right? Damn, I gotta go. Fuck, I gotta work on this business. I'm trying to play the game with the guys, bro. I gotta work on the business. Fuck it. I'ma just fuck the business. I'ma just go hang out with the guys. I got it next week, tomorrow. Push it off. I just kept pushing it off, right? That I didn't know what actually staying consistent at it would get me so much farther, right? We're so consistent at so much things, right? Everybody's like, oh, I can't be consistent. I can't be consistent. You consistent as hell texting that girl every day. You consistent as hell on the game, fam. You consistent as hell as everything except for what you need to be consistent about. So get consistent about the things you need to be consistent about. Stop doing the things you're not supposed to do. And boss your life up, fam. Boss your life up. It takes action to get somewhere you want to go, fam. You got to walk to get somewhere you want to go. There's never been results without action, fam. You got to push it. You got to keep going, right? But, hey, fam, tap in with me on Instagram, y'all. I'm responding to DMs. I know some of y'all couldn't DM me before. DMs is open. DM me if you got any questions. DM me on Instagram if y'all need help with anything like that. I do got a few links in the description. I got a free training. Also, if you want to work with me one-on-one, you can apply to do that down below as well. I also got something new coming for y'all. I don't know if it's going to be the link in the description, but I really want to help y'all out. But I got something new coming out for y'all. If y'all want to participate, join in that. It's revolutionary. We got a lot of shit going on. We helping a lot of people that start from scratch. You feel me? If you need to start from scratch with e-com, clothing brand, especially any type of brand, product, thing in general you're trying to sell online, you got to join this group, bro. But if it's not out already, it will be out soon. It will be in the description, stuff like that. But it's been y'all dog child. I'm gonna go ahead and catch y'all in the next video. I appreciate all of y'all for watching, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I love all of y'all. And if I seem a little different in this video, like I'm so happy right now, bro. I'm so happy right now. But I'm gonna catch y'all in this video. We out, fam. We gonna win, fam. We gonna win. We gonna keep winning. We gonna keep winning. Shit popping, man. But it's been y'all dog child. This is the 4th time I done this outro. It's been y'all dog child. Go ahead and catch y'all in this video. We out.